Nipples are out all the time. Just warming up. When you've only got lightweight, like the 50s, you've got to do high reps. Not much you can do about that. Yep. Whew. 30 reps. I think I might take a break from flat benching for a bit. I like it, but it's high risk for not the greatest of rewards. Like, I don't want to be one of them people that are like, oh, it's not optimal, because you're still moving weight, but there's better things you can do. But I like it because it lets me know where I'm at strength-wise. So I like to do it every now and then. Like, I know if I can get 4 to 6 reps on 180, I know that I'm strong at the moment. Whereas at the moment, I probably struggle to get 1 or 2 on 180.